All right, guys. Well, I'm in the Maserati, as you can tell. And, well, I just bought something on my birthday. It's kind of broke right now, but we're going to fix it. It's, you seen it before, looked a little different, still got the rad kit on it. But just bought me a new Renegade. I keep buying these things just because I find good deals. And we're going to fix at least one of them and keep. I'm not sure about the other one yet, but we're going to make a video on both just in case. And I'm probably going to post both just so y'all see what I'm doing, what I'm working on. But, yeah, sitting here with it. It's my birthday. So we decided I would get us a little new toy. It's got some goodies on it, but those are my tires off my 2023. But I bought it from my good friend Will. Y'all check him out, Will Hairston Land Realty, baby. Actually, not Land Realty, not Will Hairston either. But his name is Will Hairston. It is National Land Realty. Y'all check him out. He sells land all the time. He's the best, literally the best. But we're leaving this house now. Just picked it up, pulling it with the old Maserati. You know, got all that power. So let's go. Cheese. We better clean all this thing up eventually. We're gonna get a run first. We're gonna clean off some. Can't work on it like that. Well, we got one trailer unloaded. Crazy. All right, y'all. Well, this is the new build. We're probably gonna get rid of the radiator kit and stuff. I want a clean Renegade look. Just a horn. It's gonna be hopefully gonna end up being a race bike. So, you know, radiator getting too hot. I mean, hopefully won't be running but a few seconds. So yeah, we're gonna move the radiator back down to the stock location. I got my 2023 suspension off of this one on it. Right now, I got some tie rods. I'm about to order actually right now. And then I'll put those on. And then I got Rhino 2.0 axles in it. I'm gonna change out the back ones as well. Everything on here is going on there. And then my 23 suspension going on this. That's actually my 2021 suspension. So, it was a lot of talking really fast. This motor's blown. The motor's got to be pulled out, rebuilt. Probably going to rebuild it to start with. Might throw a little spray on it with stock motor. Maybe, maybe not. See how long it lasts. But I got an extra motor in a box. So, yeah, that was a lot of talking. And I'm about to get to work because I got a lot to do. It's probably going to take a while. But eventually, this one will be put back together. And we'll have a little video on just it. And then I'll start on this one. Well, might do the Grizzly after that. Got a motor issue, I think, with it. It will be sold as well. I'm going to end up with 2 Renegades. These 2. And then my X3s. Well, I'm hoping get a little bit of money back from my purchases lately. So hopefully it won't take too long to get everything done. But, you know, we will see. Got these Rhino 2.0s going in. Got the fronts on. Working on the back all the way around. What's going on, guys? Kind of out of breath. I was pushing this thing out here because it don't run. About to go clean it up. You can see the motor is very, very stained. I got some aluminum bright. I'm going to mix it with water. Make sure you really dilute it if you do it. And clean up this motor before I even pull it out. And clean up this whole foil or some. Got the radiator put back in the stock location. And so, sure, I already mentioned it, but Specialized ATV tie rods, they're the best in the business. But got Rhino axles, 2.0s all the way around. Got 2023 suspension all the way around. It's a 2024. We were gonna build a motor back stock is my plan to start with. Ride it some, and then we're gonna build. I have an extra motor in the shop. I'm gonna build all the way. So about to clean it up. Got some little upgrades, and let y'all see what turns out. So motor dirty, tranny dirty, diff dirty, front diff dirty, radiator dirty. We're just gonna give her a good wash. That's dirty, but hopefully a lot of that will come clean with this aluminum bright. Let me show y'all. Oh, exhaust too. But yeah. So I got this acid to about right there, water all the way up. Fill that up with Pro Glow that O2 Off-Road gave me. I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then we're gonna go clean the four-wheeler. And I'll wash it with this. I'll rinse it off first and then wash it with this. Do a few cycles of that. And then, I only spray this on metal parts, by the way, aluminum. And then I'll wash the whole floor with that to make sure that all of this is off. And then I'll spray it down with WD-40 or something like that to make sure it doesn't oxidize. So, yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna like wash number 3, and this motor is the dirtiest one I've ever done before. So, we're gonna keep doing it. starting to clean up a little bit. Everything's getting a little cleaner. Oh, focus. Yeah. Rear diff is probably looking the best. Exhaust looking pretty clean. But yeah, we're getting there. Well, guys, I got it pretty clean, but I ran out of time. It's dark and I got somewhere to go. But we're getting really close, so we'll finish that up another day. But yeah, everything's looking a lot cleaner. And that is shining. All right, guys, well, we got the new 34-inch Assassinators in here. Got our new bullet wheels, and they're all for that baby right there. We're gonna try, let it focus. We'll try the Aztecs first, probably. Maybe go on a ride. Gonna get these scooped and grooves, scooped and grooved, just like those. And yeah, hopefully she'll look good. Let's get her done. These things actually look really good. I was kind of scared at first, but wow. So that's after a few washes of aluminum brightener. Not the best, but this motor was extremely dirty. But like the diffs and stuff are clean and that. But I'm about to try out some cool cleaner and we'll see how it turns out. So the cool cleaner didn't really work, so I went back to my aluminum bright special and did another coat. And we're about to rinse it off. Hopefully be the last one. We will see. All right, guys, well, we are in full progress on taking the Renegade apart. Pulling the motor right now. Went ahead and pulled the air box because I'm borrowing another air box for now because I'm gonna run nitrous through the air box and spray it just a little diluted shot through the air box to start with before I build the motor. That's gonna be a stock motor with a little bit of nitrous. I got the air box in here. Yeah, got a little 3D printer action going on over there. Made it look all right. Been messing with that thing for like an hour. But yeah, getting her ready. But I still got the motor pulled out. Gonna rebuild it. So yeah, she's a little something, but it's okay. Y'all, them things don't get any lighter. Holy crap. All right, well, time to take the transmission off. Start taking all that crap off. Yup. All right, y'all. Well, we got the transmission off of the motor, and it's time to go to sleep. So, till next time. Saving you for another day. Y'all, this thing has been dirty for a while. I can't imagine what the bottom's gonna look like. Ugh. All right, the cylinders themselves don't look that bad for real. Probably hold them out a little bit. Be just fine. But that's some straight muck. I got to do some major cleaning on this stuff. I can't imagine what's gonna be in there. But that's no bueno. I mean, of course the piston moves, but the whole rod moving back and forth like that. Yeah, good stuff. Time for the other side. This is look dang good. Just took a little cleaning, not much at all. Came right off, but yeah. All right, y'all, well, I'm about to go rest. This is all I'm getting to tonight, but till next time. All right, y'all, well, I got the motor torn apart, and that has some straight mud and oil mix. Looks good. But got everything out. That's yeah, that's not good. Solid. Now the thing is froze up. So that's a good sign. Good sign. Yeah. Bunch of junk. Well, y'all, if you ever sink it really bad and it starts running funny, don't keep trying to run it because you'll screw up the crank like this one's screwed up. That middle part right there is raised up. A lot of wear on the side. Not much on this side at all. Not really anything. I don't feel anything anywhere. But right here in the middle, you can tell this one worn down really bad. So yeah, gonna have to get a new crank probably. I might have one and in a box in there, but I think it may have the same issue. So I'm gonna go check it out. If not, I'm gonna be ordering a new crank. All right, y'all. Well, I got a new crankshaft. I actually went with Mr. RPM. I would normally go OEM, but I'm gonna actually change these rod bearings to OEM. I think the crank's gonna be fine. So we will find out though. All right, y'all, pressing out some main bearings. Done pressed that one out, put a new one in it. The old ones wasn't looking too good, but I threw it away. That one definitely don't look good, so let's do it. We are getting there, boys and girls. Got this to hold the crankshaft, make sure this don't spin, top dead center. Got one jug on, got that cylinder honed. Still got to hone that one. I'm gonna put the head, I'm gonna put the whole front together and then turn the top dead center, put the back on, so everything's good for the heads. All right, y'all, what we got? Both cylinders put back together. Got some new valve covers. Got it timed. Got this side back together. PTO side, output shaft. Got that side pretty much back together. Got the cap on. Got to put the crank sensor back in there. I need to go and change this bearing. And but this is it for tonight. I gotta put the. Not supposed to be like that. I gotta put these in. Yep, and then put the top back on. All this intake and coolant hoses and whatnot. But yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. Getting close. Then we gotta put it back in this bad boy. Oh.